Hello, everyone! Welcome to this amazing shopping mall. Let's explore it together. A shopping mall has many different stores in one place. Families come here to shop, eat, and have fun. Look! This is a clothing store. It sells beautiful clothes for children, women, and men. These dresses come in many colors and styles. Some are for parties, and some are perfect for wear. These t-shirts are soft and comfortable. They are great for school, sports, and everyday activities. These jeans are strong, stylish, and comfortable. They are perfect for school, shopping, and outdoor adventures. This is the jacket section. Jackets keep us warm in cold weather and come in many beautiful colors and styles. Some jackets are light for spring and some are thick for winter. It's important to choose the right one for the weather. Wow, this is the shoe store. It has sports shoes, school shoes, sandals, boots, and slippers. Slippers for everyone. Comfortable shoes help protect our feet. Always choose the right size for walking, running, and playing. Welcome to the bag store. Here you can find backpacks, handbags, school bags, travel bags, and suitcases. Handbags are useful for carrying everyday things like a wallet, phone, keys, and other small items. Wow, this is the perfume store. It has many lovely fragrances for men, women, and teenagers. Perfumes come in many different fragrances. Some smell like flowers, some smell fresh, and some have sweet, fruity scents. Everyone can choose a fragrance they like. This is the cosmetics store. It sells skincare products, makeup, lip balm, shampoo, and many beauty essentials. Taking care of our skin is important. Always choose products that are safe and suitable for your age. Wow, this jewelry store is beautiful. It has necklaces, bracelets, earrings, rings, and watches. Jewelry makes an outfit look more beautiful. Many people wear necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and on special occasions. Welcome to the toy store! This shop is full of fun toys for children of all ages. Toys are fun, and many toys also help children learn new skills, solve puzzles, and use their imagination. This is the bookstore. It has storybooks, school books, dictionaries, coloring books, and many exciting books to read. Wow, this is the cinema. People come here to watch exciting movies with their family and friends. The cinema has a huge screen, comfortable seats, and amazing sound. Watching movies here is so much fun. Yummy! This is the ice cream shop. It has many delicious flavors for everyone to enjoy. My favorite flavor is chocolate. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Wow, I finished all my shopping. Now I'm gonna sit down, relax, and order a delicious pizza. My hot and cheesy pizza is here. It smells wonderful and tastes delicious. Shopping is even more fun with a tasty meal. A shopping mall has many different stores in one place. Families come here to shop, eat, and have fun. I had a wonderful shopping day. A clean mall is a happy mall. I always put my trash in the dustbin and help keep this place beautiful. Let's enjoy shopping and always keep our mall clean. Thank you for joining me on this amazing shopping mall adventure.